Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe are the best aftercare cards for eyelash extensions on the market. If you're an eyelash technician, a makeup artist, or someone who wants to provide a professional touch to your lash business, these Lash Aftercare extension care cards from Lash Aftercare are a must-have. Right off the bat, these cards stand out because of their quality and thoughtful design. Each pack comes with 50 individual cards, and each card measures 2 by 3.5 inches, the perfect size for handing out to clients. What really makes these cards pop is the premium 14-point matte card stock they're printed on, which feels sturdy and high-end in your hands. The design is minimalist yet elegant, featuring a matte white background with sleek black text, giving a clean and professional look that matches any lash artist's aesthetic. These cards are printed on both sides, so you get plenty of space to include detailed aftercare instructions without clutter. They guide your clients clearly on how to care for their new lash extensions and include a friendly reminder to schedule refill appointments every 2 to 3 weeks. This not only helps clients maintain the health and appearance of their lashes but also encourages repeat business for you as a lash technician. One of the best things about these cards is how versatile they are. They work perfectly whether you're applying individual lashes, volume lashes, mink, or hybrid styles. The instructions are clear and cover the essentials, ensuring that your clients have all the information they need to keep their lashes looking fabulous for longer. Lash Aftercare has been in the printing business for years, specializing in professional business cards and supplies. They focus on small business needs, which is reflected in how well these cards cater specifically to lash artists and their clients. If you're growing your lash extension business, these cards offer a professional and polished way to communicate important care tips while enhancing your brand image. While these cards come in a minimalist black and white design, they also offer subtle gold foil accents that add a touch of luxury without being overpowering. This makes the cards not just informative but also visually appealing, something your clients will appreciate and remember. Keep in mind that these are physical printed cards, so you can easily include them in your aftercare kits or hand them out after each appointment. They're lightweight, compact, and easy to store, making them practical for everyday use. In summary, if you're serious about providing excellent client care and want to boost your lash business's professionalism, these Lash Aftercare Lash Aftercare Extension Care Cards deliver exactly that. Their quality, clear instructions, elegant design, and client-friendly approach make them stand out as the best choice in aftercare cards for eyelash extensions. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights and reviews. See you in the next video.